Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Babacorm bricks. This unboxing is always very anticipated in our house because it is sent to my little girls who are 5 and 6. The company Babacorm Bricks reached out to us a while ago and we've had a few boxes from them and they're always amazing, and they reached out recently and asked if the girls would like to review another one, and we said yes please, and it's just arrived. It's addressed to Fish and Cheese, who I'll introduce you to in a minute. I am on their website now. It is a Lego subscription box. You can do a 1 month rolling plan, which is £17.95 plus £3.95 UK post and packaging. If I have a discount code, I'll put it on the screen for you. I'm not sure if I have or not. There's also a bi-monthly plan, so you do the same price but every 2 months, and there's also 3 or 6 month plans where you pay up front and then you get a lower price because of your commitment. On the website there's lots and lots of information. So what will you receive? You'll receive a mix of guaranteed 10 brick themed Lego custom goodies. Each box contains a guaranteed 5 Lego minifigures. You get we've had little Lego crayons before, we've had little sweeties and stuff. You get stickers. You also get a birthday card. How will your box be personal to you? Every month they have like one special item in it that is tailored to your child. What countries do you ship to? They ship around the world. The box contains genuine Lego. Every month there's a different theme. Yeah, it's a family run business, and the story behind it is just very touching. I'll leave a link to their Facebook page and their Instagram and everything. They are just a wonderful brand, and I'm always really happy to work for them and promote them because it's just brilliant. But without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to my unboxing monsters. First up we have Cheeseburger, who they're in their pajamas. Say hi.
Hi.
And then we have Little Fish. You gonna come and say hello?
Crazy.
They're crazy. How excited are you for your box?
Excited.
Right, Mummy's gonna rip it open. Did you get her? Right. What do you think is gonna be in this one? We know that it's lots of animals in this thing. So the box comes like this. We've got some Lego stickers on it. And every month the boxes look so cool.
Papa.
So it says keep smiling, and here's your box. So let's have a look. Creatures of all kinds is the theme. So
Then it says love.
on here it tells you what you've got, but we're going to start undoing it, and then we'll have a little look. So it looks like this. Just whacked Aria in the head with it. Can you two do a little pose for Mummy for the thumbnail? Come either side. You come this side. Say, yay! Good job. Right, so let's open it and see. Wow.
Another layer.
Wow. So, first off, we've got the Babacorm Bricks Buddies book, and this comic is made just for you. Who's been in this comic before?
Me.
Mika is just there on the back. Look at her there. It's you. Ah, who's that?
Toy Story.
Toy Story. What's his name? Lotso Bear minifigure.
He's a grumpy boy.
He's a grumpy boy. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
You can keep him
So we've got a stunning red brick storage box. That's really cute.
His arms can move.
His arms can move.
But not his legs.
And then Aria's found, you get lots of little bags with goodies in. Aria, just calm down. She's just ripping everything out. Right, go on, then you can start undoing that one. You start undoing this one. And then we will show you. Mummy's not very good at Lego.
Well,
So there's some things. Mika's very good at Lego. Daddy is very good at Lego. So in here, I've got some little, I've got a spider and a scorpion and a steak. We've just had steak for dinner. I've got it on the brain. And then a little mouse. Look, we've got lots of little animals there. Excuse me. I'm going to put that back in the little box. Wow, can you build it?
So.
You get lots of Lego collectible cards. And then you get some Babacorn brick stickers. Do it on your top of your dress, Ari, so you don't lose it.
I think it just goes like this. Like a bird with a
And then,
parrot.
as I said, every month you get
Look.
something. Oh,
And a
cute.
sticker. A sticker. And
Cute
here's a
little
sticker on
bird
the
and a
left.
carrot.
Can I have another?
Yeah, wait a sec, baby.
Looks like this is good for
Let's put everything in here when we've done it. Ari, do you need some help? Nope, she's doing it. As I said, every month you get one specific thing that is chosen for your children. And Babacorn bricks know the girls quite well now because they've done a few of them. You've been doing these for a long time now, haven't you, these boxes?
Yeah.
And you like doing them. And this one says fish and cheese. We chose this item especially for you. So I think this is going to be one that you're going to have to build for me, Mika.
Oh, look! A flower.
Oh, a flower. Let me
To
put
go
it in the
with
bag.
the box.
Yeah. Right, Mika. Do you want to just... Let me find something for you to build this on. Look, here you go. You hold that. You build this for Mummy.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, look. Lego friends.
There you go.
I like Lego friends.
Yeah, I know you do.
How
you build
do we
it?
build
I don't know.
this? Is there instructions?
There's no instructions, but it looks like that.
Okay.
There you go. See if you can do it. This is what Ben does. Their dad can literally just look at it and he just builds it. And I'm like, what? I can't do it.
I can stick it.
So next I've got, what are you? What is this? Is this chocolate?
Let me see.
Belgian white chocolate?
Chocolate.
Babacorn bricks chocolate. Look at that. Who wants a bite?
Me. How do we even
Oh, it smells good.
Mm.
Here you go, bite.
I know I have to. Now eat it.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll be able to. She's got a really wobbly tooth. Make your tooth fall out?
No.
Oh. You keep trying.
Stick.
What are you sticking
I
on
got a
me?
sticky
Oh,
one.
you're sticking one on me? You're crazy.
Daddy,
So we've got a little man here that Aria's got. And he's got a fish with a magnifying glass. No, she's doing that one.
It has a bear on the
I've got a Ninjago.
Is
We're not going to do this one
okay
just
if it's
yet.
Wrong? I'm doing
Yeah, of course it is. If you're doing your best, that's all that matters. You've done it.
Now the
It's not even wrong. She said, is it okay if it's wrong? It's not even wrong. You've done it brilliantly. Put them all back in here when we've got them. Let me get everything else out. Put them in there. No, that's the rubbish, Ari. Put the rubbish over there. So we've got two little more bags.
Can I do one of them?
Yeah, so it's a limited edition Lego Kai's Ninjago Dragon Polymer bag. The Babacorn bricks little comic. Guaranteed 5 mini Lego minifigures. Lots and lots of creatures and accessories. One Lego item chosen just for your child. The storage cube, the chocolate, and then the Toy Story little man as well. Miki, you're doing so good. Aria's building another one.
It is face.
Is it funny? Oh wow, look at his funny face. Should we show him? His funny face.
On
Ah!
the other side there's a grumpy face.
There is a grumpy face. Ari, do that face. Good
I
job.
can't make this.
You're doing really good.
I can't.
Let me have a little look.
It's tricky.
Meek has made this little Lego Friends house. One more, Ari. This is your last one. And then Ari's just made this little man. And they all come with the little sticky platforms to stand on. The little rubbery one.
And you can stick it wherever.
Yeah, you can stick it wherever you want. This is so cool.
Oh.
Ah.
Picky. Then I put that in.
Look, who's that?
Me.
Meek is in the bar at the magazine. So it says it's April already. Welcome, buddies, to the April 2021 issue of Babacorn Bricks mini comic. Firstly, a very warm welcome to all our new subscribers. This month has been the most new sign-ups since we started, and we can't begin to tell you how grateful we are that you've chosen to spend your hard-earned money on us. We guarantee that we will do everything we can to make your experience with us as fabulous, special and memorable as possible. All of our subscribers are important to us, each and every one, and we just love the amazing community you guys have helped us create. We can't believe it's April already. This year is already a quarter of the way through, and sometimes it feels like we haven't done that much. Hopefully very soon that's going to change, and by the time you read this, you may finally have a chance to give a hug to someone special that you haven't seen for a while. Seeing friends for a chat, a coffee or a hug is what we've missed most, and it's made us realise that we need our friends and you guys very much. So go out there, enjoy April, the first steps to freedom, a chance to do a bit of shopping. I've got £80 worth of Primark vouchers to use up, and you all know I'll be hanging out. We hope you love all the items inside this Munch Creatures of All Kinds box. Don't forget to show us your photos, and then you can win an extra Polymer bag this month. We would be super grateful if you could share that too. Get in touch by messengers via our Facebook, which I'll put down below, Twitter or Instagram, or there's an email. They're also on YouTube and TikTok now, and they can't wait to hear from you. Stay safe, take care. All of our love from Becky, Ralph, Oscar and Pick. And then it's got special accessories offers. Cute! This is Mika's last one that she's made. She's got a funny face. What's your last one, Ari? And then we've got March subscribers. We've got a pets page. We've got a word search. Mika loves word searches. And it's got a turtle on it.
Look, who's that? Look, I saw someone.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
World of Bricks. How to build a lizard.
How to build a lizard?
Yeah. Ari loves lizards. Magical Easter fun. So much cool stuff.
He's doing handstand.
Handstand. Love it. Right. So that is the box. What did you guys think?
Good.
How good?
So good.
What do you say to Becky and her family?
Thank you.
You're very, very lucky girls to get this, aren't you?
Yeah.
I think it's a really good present if someone would like to buy it for somebody.
Yeah.
If you love Lego, or you do love Lego, would you like this if someone gave it to you as a present?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much to Babacorn Bricks for sending us this. They love it as always. They're now going to go and fight over the contents of the box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. Please do head over to Babacorn Bricks on all their socials and give them a follow and a share. That's another one you can build that downstairs with Daddy because that looks complicated for Mummy. But thanks for watching. What do we say? Give this video
Thumbs up.
thumbs up, and then subscribe to Mummy's channel because Mummy's nearly at 10,000 subscribers. And then we're going to have a party. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
What do you say? What do you say?
Bye.
Bye.